やった
We decided that I'm gonna buy Uncle a truck. But my budget for Uncle's truck is gonna be 100 to 150,000 baht only. So I saw a truck near our old house that was 124,000 baht. See, Uncle uses Ma's car sometimes, and like then that means Ma doesn't have a car, so then Ma uses Riri's car. And I don't want anyone else to use Riri's car, only Riri. You know what I mean? So that way there's no problem. So if everybody has a car, no one will ever have to borrow anyone else's car. Plus, I'm thinking of upgrading the furniture in our house. Takes the time to write like a paragraph of hate, just gets banned. I don't even read it. And no one else got to read it. Like, you know what I mean? It's literally like just a fucking paragraph of bullshit. Look at this. All you talk about is what you're gonna buy. First of all, yeah, I talk to the community about things and then people tell me whether or not it's a good value. That's because you have nothing else going on in your life. No, that's not true. Obviously, I've told you my plans for the next 2 weeks. You rented this marriage because you're insecure. First of all, I didn't rent shit. I'm actually married. Everything that this guy wrote is bullshit. You know what I mean? Dude's a little bit weird. I do have some weird people that are just way too obsessed with my life. It's like, dude, if you don't like the fucking show, go and watch something else. Very popular in Thailand. Do you understand what I'm saying? These people don't know how to speak English. Nice to meet you. Oh, I'm gonna show them how to use this, watch. Nice to meet you. Oh.
ยินดีที่ได้รู้จัก
Hindi Nairuchap.
นี่ใส่เครื่องแม่
Hindi Thai Rujak. These are all future Riris. This cat. Cat. Meow, meow. That's funny. Dude, these are all adopted kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5? How many whole house? It was actually a joke, but, you know, I came down on it. Somebody shared an interesting article that lying in America is not the same as it is in other countries. Like, people don't look at it the same way that Americans do. It's very interesting. I didn't know about that kind of mindset, but somebody shared it in my Discord. I shared an article about how Thai people like to joke around a lot. And I still get used to it. Like, I talk to my girl about it, and she thinks I'm no fun, but it's like, well, it's not as easy for me to understand when jokes are not jokes, you know what I mean?
เนี่ยได้กระเป๋าได้ขนาดเนี้ย200 300
Expensive.
อันนั้นเท่าไหร่คะสิคุณ
152.
เขาเพียงคือ500แล้วมั้ง
What's wrong?
200 300 400
Yeah, look how expensive.
500ได้กับ
Yeah, get me cheaper. Please, fix. Oh, we get this for free? Oh, they're giving a free gift. Oh shit, yeah, I'm not paying for that. Yo, Drama, can you... I've streamed so much in Japan, and people understand what you're saying. If you go into a place like, Konnichiwa, sumimasen, beer, doko, kore, arigato gozaimasu, kakui. That's Japanese. Like, if you speak to any Japanese person, they would 100% understand what the fuck I just said. Fuck. Oh, I go with the dual nose sticks because, damn, that shit's clean as fuck. Damn, Uncle would love me if I bought this. Look at that. That looks clean as shit. Right? Stop this sus. Re-up. Shut the fuck up. Shut up! Damn, they got companies I never even heard of. A 2009 Tata Exxon. By the way, Exxon. Isn't that Planet? Isn't this burger? A 2009 Tata Exxon? Exxon Planet. Old engine, right? Oh yeah, 149,000 kilometers. Oh shit. Tom? I don't know where Katum is. Katum's probably outside fighting. Dude, did you hear that fight? Cats are out here fucking savage as shit. Alright, this car actually looks good, but the fucking engine is shit, bro. It looks fucking dirty as shit. Let me check IRL. I'm still number one! Yatta! God damn, for a couple hours, chat. Thank you so much. Thank you so much that we're still number one on Just Chatting. I could see if we were number one for just like 5 minutes. But we've been number one for quite a while. Moon is out, chat. I've been IRL streamer, chat. I don't just stay in my house. I do IRL. You know what I'm saying? I do IRL the right way. The only way. Oh, fuck. Hopefully there won't be no pigs around.